In this video, we're going to talk about Qt's preference of QML. Now, QML stands for Qt Quick Markup Language, and I've already mentioned Qt Quick. Yes, that it's the language that looks like CSS and has JavaScript-like programming. It actually allows you to script your UI, and it's polar opposite to Qt Widgets. Not that polar opposite, we're going to talk about that. Qt Widgets contains QML. That means you can write QML inside Qt Widgets, but then you won't write any Qt Widget code inside QML. Alright, so Qt prefers it. Yes, they prefer that to Qt Widgets. Based on the new YouTube educational videos that they are doing, they themselves are putting out these videos and this introduction to programming and this introduction to whatever techniques, newer technologies that they want to talk about. They often put it out for ideal. They put it out as ideal for teamwork between developers and designers. Now, I would like to point out one particular promo video that Qt put out, not for QML, but for itself, for the entire Qt framework. In that video, they endorsed QML. They said nothing about Qt Widget. Qt Widget wasn't mentioned. And again, it's almost like it's rival, right? But they didn't mention it. And they said the UX and UX or UI designers can convert their graphics from the design software. Qt provides this design software that designers can use, and they can convert from that software to QML code. And they said that the developers were also at ease with the QML code, and so they put it out there as a Qt promo. You should see this video. I definitely put the title in the description. It's on YouTube, where they were promo. It's a promo for Qt, and so they said that designers and developers had a problem communicating. They also said that Qt, the way for designers and developers to speak the same language was by using QML, right? And so you're gonna find this video on YouTube. Almost all the newer videos that are being put out there by Qt are all going for QML, because it's almost foolishness not to use it. But the companies that are still using Qt Widgets, we're going to discuss Qt Widgets, the pros and cons. There are no pros to it because QML has all those pros without the cons. Alright, so we'll talk about it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.